Union.
Yeah.
Chile to the back.
Elizabeth.
So we
can't go everybody into the
So you can come and stand on the outside while you witness the cutting of the ribbon, and then we fall in to view the exhibit. So we're inviting the artists. So we go in musu musu, bit by bit.
You the man, bro. You the man.
Colin Daifa.
You're wrong. So we end. If it end when I go, so then that's something. Either way, okay to work. It's best. Alright.
Colin Daifa.
I understand it, but I can't speak it.
No,
Take a picture.
No.
Or you can come. No, free. Hey, I'm here for you. Wanna come in? Hey, my cousin. Hello.
Hello, Auntie.
Alright. So we are continuing here.
Okay, we're live.
Okay, we are doing a ribbon cutting right now. And if you want to go inside, Maurice, so have a better picture.
Okay.
Just for you.
Okay.
At this time, we'll have the cutting of the ribbon to open the exhibit. We have our representative from the European Union, Sister Ingrid, and myself, Abba Biama Urwa Keimo. Yay! So, Happy Women's Day. It's official. We can come in. Remember, don't take pictures.
Miss Hun, Miss Eva Zanz. Eva.
Amazing.
Come on.
The artist can please come in so you can explain your masterpiece.
Miss Asani. Miss Asani. Okay, just stand in front of your heart.
Come to Dangriga.
Yes, have to.
I forgot to say something.
Go ahead, Ingrid.
Yes, I forgot to mention one of our sponsors, Maurice Herrera from Taifa Radio,
Oh.
number.
91.7. I'm a cost.
Oh. Okay, thanks very much for coming.
Yeah, we
Really like.
appreciate it. Thank you very much. We're proud to be a part of this action, Women's Month, the 15th annual here at Penn Cayetano Studio Gallery.
Who else? Someone in not even here.
Even though I haven't gotten my European Union t-shirt yet,
Don't know here.
I'll have to bring it up next
I'm
time.
lobbying
I will
one.
remember you.
I'm saying, I'm saying it on the line right now. So people can see.
You're holding me accountable.
Yes.
So we can come in. Maybe 10 or 12 at a time.
So here is mother and daughter, right? And the painting was done by Mr. Pen Caetano.
Really, I'm always
Okay, you all right? Okay. So yes, now you can just walk
You just
around.
come and walk around.
If you have any questions, the artist is just standing close to their work.
And remember, you're not allowed to take pictures of the
Yeah, and just ask any
artwork.
questions. And here's one of my pieces actually, Ingrid Caetano. It's a woman with shaka. She's just coming out of the secret room. My technique is textile and fiber art. Thank you. And here we have Asani and her 3 lovely pieces. You just say what you have there.
I have a turtle because I love turtles. I have a little alien because I got inspired from a picture that I saw. And I find that thinking of the things out of this world also very interesting. And some little flowers in a pot because I got bored one day.
Thank you. Here's Miss Hun.
I just painted a butterfly that just pop out of my head and painted.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
what inspired you for the color coordination?
I don't know exactly. I just just when I sit down and paint, I on my music and it just comes over me
And the
and
colors come.
yeah. So I just decide which color I want.
So these are the mountains in Berlin, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have
Here are sons.
Well, so all of these three I painted here in Belize. This the draft for this was drafted in Berlin, so I had the idea already in Berlin. These two are from my Caribbean series. That is, so when I come here, I'm inspired differently than in Berlin. And so yeah, I like to do something a bit surreal, as you can see, and so I like to bring out the beauty in the weird stuff. So.
You can call some more visitors.
we have nails some.
You can call
So others can come in.
Yeah, I say, come out, you come in. No? Come in. Don't be shy. Some of the artists are right there. Excuse me?
Some of the artists are here. We have different types of art.
This is Ingrid Caetano again. This is actually Caetano areas. No? So it's my work right here. I have, for example, it's a stem from the Turkish band. Then did the painting, and then in 2000, I think it was 11 or so, they did a series of artists, 10 Belizean artists. So this painting was one of the selected one. So you can go to the post office, especially in the city, to buy a stamp. Yeah. And my art, well, I do portraits, I do cultural pieces. I have, for example, toucan bird. I did a portrait of Mr. Penn with his original hair and some dreadlocks from my son. And we have the planting beater here, Maurice, over there. Hudut, right?
Correct.
And the soup is called ceres, or you call it? Lasso, ceres or creole. We have the Manaragua dances to the top. So you're painting always around the Christmas and the New Year's. We have here the famous Josephine Baker. Maurice,
I want to get a one I got because this is my dance, my favorite dance.
Dance it one time, I don't know if it's
I still dance.
You ain't hit.
No, I still dance.
Some militant dancer now.
I love it too. It's one of my favorite dances.
Okay, I got the one I got no hotel.
Then we have
And
the-
my second
The
favorite
turtle shell player.
because I'm a surfer player as well.
Yeah, I remember I have a picture from you
Yes.
when you was young. No? I think Wadua had a small
Yes.
boy
When I
group.
was about 9 or 10 years old.
Okay, a long time ago. So there's Josephine Baker. She was a black American, but she had to leave and go to Europe to get her fame because you know America is very racist. Yeah. So we have here some more from my daughter Marie Caetano. Yeah, she's like I said, a book illustrator. She did so far 2 books, We Are Free and the Wanaragua. And they're all painted, all the pages inside are painted by her, and the story was written by my son and my sister. So and she does a lot of paintings Otherwise, John Canoe, sometimes some African women, some portraits. And she will be here in July doing an exhibition at the Bliss Institute. Yeah, so you can look out for that. She will have all our original illustration on display and also books, and we intend to do a joint book. Hopefully it's going to be finished by then. Yeah, guys, and over there we have some clothes done by Miss Ada Rodriguez, our famous seamstress.
That's right.
All my dresses are made from her.
My skirt.
And the
my
chic.
This is original. This is original. I like that. I like this pattern. I like that pattern right there.
Yeah.
I prefer that pattern.
Over there we have some of my work showing Maya women doing embroidery, and the other lady, this is her child, going to the market selling her products, tomatoes. Then you could see they usually live in a touch-up, and the roof is made of dried banana leaves.
Beautiful.
Okay, so you can just walk around and maybe ask the vendors what's going on. Yeah. So,
Yeah, Jeremy. Alright? Yeah, man. Let's go.
I think we were gonna, Jenny was gonna take our camera.
I did black boy and the pastor never noticed.
Well, let's start from the best. Green clean. This is what I use. Green clean. No, green clean. Come. You'll talk to your lady. I'll talk to her a little bit about it. About the product. All right.
Here where we have the green clean product. All your cleaning needs in a one bottle, all natural, eco-friendly. Use it just like how you use any other cleaning product. It doesn't change the way how you clean, but all your cleaning needs in a one product.
No.
Just imagine you could do 98% of your household cleaning with one product. This is a product that you're going to need. We have them basically in a 3 fragrance, green apple, lavender, and citrus, right? And different sizes, presentation, 1 liter and so. People want it in a bigger sizes, and so we also got that too as well. If you want it in a drum, we want it at 1200 liters, we do that. That's what we do.
Now, when it comes to what my personal preference is this blue one because for me the scent lasts a long time. I use it in my studio all the time. I just sprinkle it in there, sweep over it, and then the scent stays in there, still fresh.
Like with everybody have different preferences in reference to fragrances and so what they would have preferred. Right? So that
what
nice
the concentration for this?
The concentration for the green clean multi-purpose cleaner, that 3 to 1. So you mix it like 1 liter makes a gallon. Simple as that. Easy. And you use it just like how you would use any other cleaning product.
So anything but environment with this one is very safe?
Eco-friendly, natural, clean your wall, spray it like Febreze. This product so you could also water up. Instead of throwing away the water, you could use it in your sewer system. It helps with the
The organism in there?
with the organisms and stuff for decomposition and stuff like that. You could use it as plant blaze, so clean plants and stuff like that, as foliar as well. All of them products get created from out of the agricultural industry and stuff like that. So all organic.
Where can people find these products at? How can they contact you?
You could find this product at Grigalesian, you could find it at Kings and stuff, or you could call me direct and stuff like that. 671-2737, Green Care Products Limited.
Let me put that number in the live again. It's 671
2737.
2737. That's Green Clean.
Green Clean. All your cleaning needs in a one bottle.
Boom. And we gone. Thanks
right.
again, man.
Thank you
Thanks
very
again,
much.
Again.
All right.
I've used this. I still have some. and we promote it as well.
You
This
could,
is a safe
you could still get some more to them, you know.
Yes, sir.
And we got special prices and stuff for the people and where they out just so discounted and things.
All right, cool. Thank you very much, Mr. Green Clean.
Yes.
Green Clean at Carlton Usher. So we know the man as Green Clean. He that Green Clean. We that Green Clean. So I must use it because I make the house clean. Right? Thank you very much. Moving on. Again, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Pen Cartano Studio. Get the lady. Good day, miss. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good. So you're live right now on 91.7 FM Daifa from our radio station. I know. Is it how are you?
Hi.
You don't know that?
Huh?
Nothing fresh?
No. I'm a busy boy.
All the time. We have to wait 3 years to get one that she gets on it because she's so busy. Just 3 years.
So I'm on the TV.
You are right now, miss. You are live right now. So what is that product? What do you want to tell people about
Well,
this?
I go to Africa every year. I've been going to Tanzania. And I've been learning to do tie and dye and batik. These are some batik prints that were done. Those are batik. And of course I'm wearing tie and dye. This is also batik. And I sell leather sandals. And then I make my own jewelry. Most of what is up there I make. And I'm a retired high school teacher. And I just love art. I just like to create something just about every day.
Okay.
So that's what I'm doing.
So you travel there
I
to
go to
get these,
Africa. I've been
to
going
get
to
the
Africa.
fabric.
Yes, I'm going to Africa since 1998 every year.
Same place, Tanzania?
No. I was living in Germany for 25 years.
Okay.
And so, of course, it was very inexpensive to go to Germany. To Africa. So I went very often. And then I started buying fabric, I started buying clothes. And while I was there in Germany, people started buying my stuff. So I said, well, why not? And then I started making things. So I came home. But I still go back. Once you go, you can't stop going. You know? Once you go home, you can't. It's hard for you to leave.
Exactly.
So I'm having fun with what I'm doing. Last year I was in Senegal, and then I went on to Tanzania. So for the last 14 years, I've been going to Tanzania, Arusha, Tanzania.
Nice.
I mean,
So
wonderful.
you travel the world already.
I travel the
So
world.
you're sharing you're sharing your experience
Just keep moving.
and your talent with the people.
Thank you very much. Yes, I do. So I'm retired now, but I feel like I'm not retired because I always have something to do. I do a little bit of tutoring sometimes, but I'm usually in my studio making something.
Staying busy.
Staying busy. That's
Nice
right.
talking to you. We're moving on to the
Thank
next
you.
booth today.
And so
We're
where
glad-
am I going to be? Where can I see myself
You
talking?
can see yourself right here because you are seeing yourself right here on YouTube and on Facebook.
Oh my
Daifa
goodness.
Garifuna Radio Station
What is
page 91.7 FM.
Let me see.
So this is,
What's the name of your I heard about this station.
yeah, it is.
What's the name of it? I'm trying to read your thing, but my eyes are so bad.
That's it right there.
Oh, Daifa. Okay, I will certainly
And when you click
check
on
in.
there, you can see that you're on right now.
Oh my goodness. I mean,
that
everybody's
you,
gonna
or is that
see me.
someone?
No, that's not me. That's me
It
now.
has a lapse, it has a time lapse.
Oh, okay.
So now you can see
So
yourself now,
Diva,
right?
yes, I can see myself now. So everybody's seeing me.
Everybody's seeing it right
Oh
now.
my. Okay. Thank you.
Moving on to the next.
Okay.
You can hold on to this.
Thanks.
I'm doing all the boots right now.
From there, I was sending you a message on WhatsApp, and from there we could coordinate from there.
Yes.
What's your first name? Lee Joseph. Just picture right here, your sister. I've learned that along with her sister. Okay, so you want a small.
I'll bring it on.
And more or less, you just want a simple area. You just want to leave green stone and no lot of things. Not too long, not too short. And usually what earring like that, something simple like that, would have just be $15. Yes. Thank you. Thank you for
Moving on. Good day, Miss Des.
Hi.
My classmate. Yes, Miss. I just want you to know that you're live on 91.7 Daifa Garifuna Radio Station, and we're just featuring each booth So what do your booth have to offer? What's your name and what's your booth?
My name is Dylan Segura and I'm the humble owner of Dill's Homemade Creations, and these are my creations. I do jewelry and I also do pastries, but for today we are focusing more on the jewelry since this is Women in Art. And you can also contact me at 660-5747 to order pastries. I usually do lemon
Put
pie.
a number in there, 66 what?
660-5747.
This is for pastries, right?
Yes, I do pastries like lemon pie, I do cheesecake brownies, I do different little things that people usually want, like bread pudding, banana bread, things like that, special requests, sometimes even cupcakes and cakes upon request.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And there you have it, see? Ladies and gentlemen, this is all the arts.
I also have dream catchers too. I'm one of the only people in Belize that makes dream catchers.
And what are dream catchers?
Dream catchers are a traditional thing that they use to actually help filter out your dreams. They say that this helps you to weave in all the bad dreams and keep them in here and flow down all the good dreams through the feathers.
Wow. Everything they're ready to so for the pastry lady. Remember, the number to call for the pastries is 660-5740. 660-5740. Thank you very much for showcasing.
You're welcome, and happy International Women's Day once again to you all.
Thank you. And tell Mrs. Sigeri that to say hi.
Yes.
And she has been helping us from the inset, so I just want to know that.
Oh, you did talk about my aunt Des, true?
From the valley?
Yeah, that's
Yes.
my auntie.
Yeah, she helped us a lot, so
right.
tell her we say hi.
I will. She'll come back soon.
Okay.
For our Expo in PG, a Women's Expo. But for the next one,
It's you know how the photo of me.
Okay. I could take it on this one. And then,
you have to send it to me.
remember, we're still live, okay? We're not off the live, but I can still take pictures.
Okay, sure.
Then I'll send it to you, Miss Ingrid. Sit. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Then if you could send a picture to me. Thank you.
Thank you. I have a paper.
All right, now, just want to, again, we're featuring all the booths up here today for Women's Month. And can you just please tell us your name and what you're here to display today?
Okay, I'm Larissa, I'm the owner of Naturally Belize Cosmetics, and we're based in Punta Gorda. And I make a collection of hair and skincare products. Today I have a small collection of skincare products, the natural soaps. One of our bestseller is the turmeric soaps. I also have some other products made from turmeric as well, like the serum. We do masks, we do scrubs. So yeah, and they have great benefits for your skin. They're all natural ingredients. They're handmade right here in Belize, Punta Gorda.
And they're mainly soaps. Mainly body fragrance.
We do skin and hair care, but I just brought mainly skincare out here today.
Okay. Thank you very much. I guess we just had a little bit of nitpick on what you're doing from Punta Gorda.
Naturally Belize Cosmetics. Yeah.
Thank you. Nice. And how can I contact? What is the contact information so we could put it in the live right now?
Okay, sure. So you could get me on Facebook or Instagram on Naturally Belize Cosmetics, or you could WhatsApp 615-2760, or call that number, regular line. Yeah, but that's how people usually get to me. I also have a website, naturallybelize.store. So if you like to browse and see what products we have to offer, then you could check out our website.
Thank you very much, Miss. And that, again, it's Naturally Belize Cosmetics.
Yeah. Located in Punta Gorda.
And the number is already in the live, 615-2760. And you could contact me on WhatsApp or a straight dial. Right. Thank you very much, and
thank you too.
I'm glad you're here with us today sharing your products.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. So we're going to just take pictures. Wait, you're taking photos?
Yeah.
All right.
When you finish, you have
We're moving on. Moving on. What do we have here?
This is Reef Keepers Belize. This is an organization that we have to do with marine. So we promote marine awareness to students. We do cleanups and so forth.
You do cleanups?
Yeah.
But the reef is still dirty. I have to blame. I'm not gonna call no name, but yeah, I'm glad you guys are here to shed a little bit of light on what Reef Keeper does, and tell us a little bit more on how this come about.
So we would do because kids are the future of our country, so we would do presentation talking about the importance of mangrove, corals, and so forth. And there's also we have a workbook whereby we go and we would give them hands-on activities for them to learn. There's lesson plans for teachers to teach the students about it. And then this is a game. It's actually in Garifuna, and I find it very cool because it's the name. So this is the Queen Cow, and then you have the name here in Garifuna. So it's also to teach them about their culture too.
So you blend everything in and want to balance out everything.
So yeah, this is what we do.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Moving on. Now what do we have here?
Good evening. My name is Lara Andrews. I am a seamstress. Right here I have career outfit for Child Stimulation Month. So yes.
So where are you based out of, Mr. Andrews?
Come again?
Where are you based out of? Where can I find you?
In Wagirale area.
Okay.
Yes, and you can.
And it's only. So do you also? Oh, I see you saw some dashiki there as well.
It's not that it's a nursing outfit,
Oh,
but
this one,
yes,
right?
I do dashiki. Yes, I do dashiki. Depending on what you want, you present your idea to me, and I'll try my best to get it done.
Okay, cool.
So,
how can I contact you, Miss Andrews?
638 9604.
638 96
04. And I'm also on Facebook, Queen of Hearts Sewing Studio.
See, I don't even know. I walk about and I can't even know that. But I know now. We learn something every day.
Yes.
Queen of Hearts
Sewing Studio.
Okay, there you have it. 638 9604 Queen of Hearts Sewing Studio in Wagirale. Thank you very much, Mr. Andrews.
Have a nice day.
Moving on, you too. Moving on. The only gentleman out here.
Good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Brian Vega alongside
Leon Lewis.
And we are students from EJC, and we are partnering up with BFLA to educate people, especially youths, on female condom and male condoms. BFLA offers some packages such as one package include you check your weight, your height,
blood pressure check,
HIV counseling, and also the menstruation pad. It is eco-friendly, meant for females. To contact BFLA, the information.
The number is 502 2280. 2280.
There's a lot of resources out here today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks again, guys, for giving us that information so people can contact BFLA for all these for female and male contraceptive. Guys as well. Excellent. Thank you very much. Moving on.
Okay.
We're still live, ladies and gentlemen. We are still live.
That's massaging oil.
Moving on.
I just have the idea of how I rub it the other day, but the thing is I had it rubbed everywhere except under.
This Cass is buying up everything, so we gotta give her a little pause. All right, ladies, we're live right now. What do you display? What your display has to offer today?
Well, we have all natural products. We have soaps, all natural. We have our massaging oil, our sugar face scrub, and we have our basket for sale. And for every product, you get a free raffle ticket to win a gift basket that's worth $150.
What is product made by?
Mr. Kenrick Gonzalez. It's made by Mr. Kenrick Gonzalez with all natural products.
So Mr. Kenrick made this soap product?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. And you guys know how to make it, you guys?
Yes, sir.
And how can we contact this business?
We have our Facebook page, Abby's Collection on Facebook, Abby's Collection on Instagram, and we have our WhatsApp number. Please read it out.
Abby's Collection.
Abby's Collection. Its number is 222-9378.
222?
Yes, sir. 9378.
78.
Yes, sir.
Where we can find you.
Yeah, everybody on Facebook now, so we're just spreading the word.
Hi, Facebook.
Huh? You're live. Is that die?
Hi, Facebook.
All right, good. Yeah, you guys take care. Thanks again, all right? Abby's Collection right there. Beautiful. Okay, good. Moving on. Oh, don't catch her eat already. Shima.
You don't get her already?
You get phone. You catch it on live. We're still live right now.
Oh, we're live. Okay.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we're moving on to this booth. Again, tell us who you are and what you have here to offer today for Women's Month at Penn Studio Gallery.
Okay, all right. So for celebrating our women, we are a woman-owned business called Alvarez Organics. We specialize in organic soaps. Our main products are charcoal, turmeric, herbal soaps. However, today we have our most popular product, the insect repellent, Bug Off. So we have rebranded to Bug Off, and our natural insect repellent, it gets rid of mosquitoes and sandflies, and we accidentally came across getting rid of red ants and Dr. Fly biting you as well. So we have a tester if you would like to try it.
Is it all natural?
It is all natural, yes. It is a blend. We have our ingredients. Cold pressed olive oil is in there, shea butter is in there, and a blend of premium quality essential oils, including copper rose. So that's what you can smell it.
My skin is sensitive, so
that the co-owner, she has very sensitive skin. So that's another reason why we did our repellent and also our soaps. So this is what we have here today. But you can smell it if you so choose.
I will smell it. What is the contact number to call for Alvarez Organics?
We have two, so if you don't catch Harry, you catch a shirt.
All right.
So we have 664-3195, or you can also contact us at 636-9706.
Let me smell that thing, Mr. Alvarez.
There it is, right?
A little bit there.
Thank you. We make our smells unisex so men and women can enjoy it.
Some heavy fragrance, like, but it's good. I like it. I like the fragrance.
And the more you smell, the more you keep smelling different scents. So that's what we love about our product as well. And when you monitor that spot you spray, you will see the flies. They do not touch that area. So you'll notice how the flies won't be touching the area that you rub the repellent on.
Nice, and it's very soothing as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Again, Mr. Alvarez, thank you very much. I'm going to move on to the next, but this is very impressive.
Well, thank you for stopping by. We're Alvarez Organics on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I know, man. This is my
moving
birthday.
on. Where we? No,
we're happy.
Here. We're moving on. We have you in frame right now at Women's Month. Penn Studio Gallery here in beautiful culture capital. What do you have to offer today?
What do I have to offer? Many things. I have this Belize African connection, as I'm obsessed with the motherland, and I'm working on my repatriation. I have Drums Not Done shirt, it's like the one I'm wearing, $40. I have things that I make. This
not for sale right now. This is just a part of the exhibition. The question is, how long do you think it took me to make this? That's the question.
It takes about 3 months to make that.
Try 3 days, 12 hours.
Wow.
Over 12 days.
Non-stop.
Non-stop.
All right.
Every day I record. How much I do? I write it down. I just show him. See my book right here. Every day I record how it go. I started on the 12th. One of my friends visited me and I said, I have to do something extraordinary. So I started the 12th and I finished the 22nd.
Nice.
Yeah.
What else do we have?
Talent. I also make shoes, house shoes. You wear these only in the house.
Well, how is it at the bottom of it? Is it a non-slip?
No, that in the house.
Oh, in the house. Sorry.
House.
In the house.
House shoes. House shoes.
Correct. House. That's the main. That's the main. That's
then
right.
I have my wig out of my own hair.
Gone clear forever.
Forever. I cut off the dread because too much wolf there about. So I don't want to take me for a wolf, right? Yeah, and then I have the little ones for the little people. You know?
New bands.
Yeah, for the
new
lads.
bands all the way up
yeah,
to like 99.
All the way up to the big dread. Or the long head.
Correct.
Wait, I got a longer head.
I have to hold the dread. Correct.
Yeah, I have to hold the dread.
Good. All right, so I gotta move on to the next one.
All
How
right.
can they contact you? Any contact information?
You don't got my contact information?
Yeah, but I want to put it on the live. You're on the live right now.
Oh, okay, I'm on the live. So I want to shout out all my people, like I said on stage, in Africa, in Belize, in California, in Ohio, in New York, in Oregon, in Arizona, across the board, New Jersey, and 654-7005. That's my phone number. You
654
7005. That's me. And I call myself Fahima, or you can call me Fatima. And my name is Violet Barnett, but I accepted Islam and I changed my name.
All right, Ms. Fahima. Thank you very much. Again,
respect.
Ms. Fahima's number is 654-7005, right?
If you need anything,
right there, everything
just give
there.
me
You
a
got
call.
belts here,
Belt,
you got
guitar
shoes in them,
strap.
guitar straps, you got clothing, you got shoes, right? Look at these are all handmade.
It's a guitar shop.
Guitar strap, right?
These are $80.
$80 a piece. So
Yeah,
don't scare to-
Penn have his 2 straps and his guitars were made by him.
All right, cool.
All right.
Moving on.
Move on, and the belts are $20, $30.
Nice.
All right.
I think we need this one today.
No, that's the German.
Now, are we saving the best for last? Or we gotta move on?
You can stay. We have
Tell us a little bit about this display today.
Okay, this display is G&G production with Garina Gowagia stuff also. So this side is the Garina Gowagia bag, and then we have this bag here as well for the older people who goes to the store and don't want to use the plastic bag. You have the grocery bag, and then when it comes to the books, we have the famous book for 40 Belize, and then we have the coloring book here as well.
Those are the coloring books. Very nice. You could color and learn about the word, about the name of the item at the same time. In Garifuna. Garamo. That's a drum. Alright, so what else do we have here, Ms. Gonzalez?
We also have a family book. You can learn the different family members in Garifuna. So we have
Wow, very colorful.
real child-friendly books. That's it
That's
for
it?
today.
I heard what it's a Chalupano, yeah?
We don't have any right now. We are having more printout and then we'll be back.
Okay, good. All right, Ms. Gonzalez, thank you very much. Thank you very
Thank you
much.
too.
Moving on. Moving on. No. We're here with Miss Marcy. Miss Marcy?
Miss Marcy went out here. Back in a little while.
Okay, good. And this is Miss Marcy Dawes. This is a talented lady. She is famous here in Dangriga. And if you want to get, I already have a contact information here for Miss Marcy. But everything is also girlfriend dog. I have Andy Palace to tell me earlier. So this is, you know, I know the gentleman, he brings the nice fresh coconut water. That's the Andy Kanasham. That's the guy right there. That's him. Yes, man. Hear that?
Market bag, we have your listing bag, your telephone bag, you have your
oh yeah, it's our brains are like there was a
we're coming back over here, but
yes, be gentle.
no. Are we saving the best for last? Is this what it is?
Hello, good evening.
Is this what it is? You're live? We're live on 91.7 FM. I don't know who this young lady is, so I'll let her introduce herself because first time I'm seeing her, and this is the last display. So tell us a little bit about what's going on here.
So everybody from Dagriga should know me, Ellen Joseph.
I don't know you, Miss Joseph.
Well, hello, Mr. Herrera. I'm Ellen Joseph.
All right.
All right, you know my family.
Who?
We have Miss Desiree Joseph, Miss Agnes Joseph. I have my sister at the back,
I don't want to hear about Desiree Joseph. She always rough me up.
Well, sometimes people who get roughed up, they deserve it sometimes, you
Oh
know.
man, they're sisters, ladies and gentlemen, and they're backing up each other.
Of course, my sister and rough.
Okay, then tell us a little bit what's going on
So my company's name is African Wear, where I create unique pieces. And it's a blend with African Kemetic spirituality and my Garifuna culture, right? So I create unique pieces, and it has to be, I don't create bulk. So whenever somebody desires a piece, they contact me, I create it, and that's it. So for today, I have bags on display. So I have different bags. They're all functional bags.
Also invited people.
Nice. How about these dolls? Are these your
dolls
creation
are not
as
my
well?
creation. We purchased these from Miss Marcy.
Wow, the one because you're creative. So.
Yes. So
no.
if you notice, I create outerwear, I create bags.
Nice. No, I noticed that all these bags pretty much have long handles on them, or
Not necessarily. So we have this. This is a handbag, and then we have the shoulder bags. Most of the, with my experience being here at the marketplace, most of the ladies who come here are mature women, and they always want something that they could sling, that they could take and load up their whatever they'll be carrying for the day. So I try to make it as appealing for the market.
nice. Now, how can I contact you, Miss?
So you can contact me on all social media platforms at African Wear, and my number is 620-9154.
And this is Gary
African Wear. African Wear.
These are complicated.
It's
wear.
not complicated. It's Garifuna African. African.
She broke it down and make it simple for me. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Tell us about your products and where we can find you.
All right, again, you can contact Gary African Wear at 620-9154. And you can see it isn't in person. It's real. Everything is real here. Different colors, different pattern. One last question for you. Do you make this yourself, or you outsource this?
No. All these are made by me. Everything I do on my own. Every single stitch, every cut, it's me.
This design is your design?
My design.
Perfect. How about the one with Agigatan? Is that yours?
No, that's not mine. This is mine.
But why would Agi go and buy something from
That's her business.
I'm best friend by my dress down.
You like trouble?
No. How about my
You
class?
really like trouble?
No.
You like trouble, Mr. Herrera?
We're live. We're still live.
We're live, but
We're still
let's
live.
focus. Let's
We
focus.
are focused. One more question. One more question now. Did my classmate purchase any one of these?
Yes. All my sisters, they make periodic purchases from me.
Yeah, but what I noticed though that the prices are very reasonable. I could see it right now. Like that bag, is that real? $30?
$30.
This is the handmade, ladies and gentlemen. You need to call the number. You need to call 620-9154. And she don't make bulk, so she will
Every
make it
piece
by order.
is unique, so no duplication of any design.
So you can honestly say when you go to Bogudi that you
Only you
have
only you have that.
You don't have it. You see?
Correct.
All right, cool. So
Thank
I have one more display to showcase today, right here, and that's Sea Life.
Good job.
Sea Life. So they are busy with customers right now. But so what I like about this display though is that it's authentic. It's
I do
authentic.
everything. I do everything.
Authentic.
I do everything myself.
Nice. I'm proud of you, Ellen Sue.
This is my sister's bag. Oh yes, that's my TV Ramos
I want
bag.
one in there.
That's my
I
TV.
need one in there.
That's my TV Ramos bag.
I need one.
Okay. You're
We're
lying.
not the makeup now.
Yes, correct.
So I will put in an order. Have my order right now.
Yes.
I want one just like that. The only exception is I want, you see this, they are sling right there, so I want it as a backpack.
Okay, I do backpacks.
She does backpacks as well.
You never made say that. You say I'm thinking you want to cater for women.
No. I have backpacks. I have travel bags. I have. If they go on my social media, they will see the bags that I create. So, everything.
Alright, so it's not only what we see out here, ladies.
No. This is just a
her-
snippet.
If you go on her Facebook page, you will see other things that she creates. Alright?
Okay. This is only a preview.
Wow.
Okay,
I'm impressed.
So with the trash report,
Thank
I'm impressed.
Thank you for my gift and good luck.
Alright. So I'm going over to Sea Life to close it off because I'm very hungry. I gotta go to Cassava, Sabah Cassava, and then come back. Oh man. We need a fashion show here. We need it.
So I do the set.
Excellent pieces.
Thank you.
Excellent pieces. Very elegant as well.
Her name is Desiree.
Nice.
There's one for
Yes. Why? She is thinning. Ellen Sue is thinning, ladies and gentlemen. She is thinning.
I'm what?
Thank
you.
We eat first before they do.
I gotta come to Sabah's. I hope they're not sold out for the sweet cassava. I want 2 piece. Biam. They're saving the best for last again. Because this is my favorite, and I have the Sabah's food products. Look at it, crispy. It's still crispy through the bag. The people are on the special.
Can you please pick it from me?
This is self-explanatory. I'm not even going to explain this. All people need to do, come out here and support this thing. Done. Bagain.
Sarah May.
I'll come back and buy my piece. Alright, cool. 2, not 3, 2.
What list?
All mapping invasive species or marine debris. So I was like,
when I finished, I'm in Poland.
Okay.
And when I finished my master in photography.
Miss Mercy? Oh man. I just may I skip you, but the gentleman said no, don't skip my lady.
I bet.
Where you
Because he give me, I buy the nice coconut water and the kashang and the coconut boy. No, we are here. Miss Marcy, self-made, very talented lady, intelligent. Tell us a little bit about one of these pieces that you have. I'll pick that one because it's my favorite color.
You want me to tell you about
A
this
little bit,
story?
yes.
Her name is Viola.
Okay.
And it seems that she's considering about the cost of living.
All right, wow.
She's worrying about the cost of living. So she is stressed out. And so she tells herself she have to make friends with her sister on this side, and so that they can console each other about cost of life.
Bagay,
Gumu.
look at that. And ladies and gentlemen, I didn't know about this. Miss Marcia just explained it. I never know that was double-sided thing that catch me just now. But it is. Thank you very much, Miss Marcia.
You're welcome.
When it works. I'm Paulita.
Hi. Are we ready?
Willing to present. You ready?
This is really the last one. Every time I say the last one, but I have to skip because you guys are busy. So tell us a little bit about this Sea of Life.
Yes,
Threatened communities.
Sea of Life is a non-profit organization.
Okay.
It's based in Belize City, but we work mostly with trash addicts. And our main mission is to work with communities in terms of finding ways to reduce plastic. And one of those ways is doing trash audits. So basically the trash audit is 30 minutes cleanup, whereby after we do the 30 minutes cleanup, we divide into groups and then we sort out the waste and litter by brands. So you can also tell what company is using the most plastic and what the school system, because we work mostly with schools and clubs.
So who is using the most plastic right now?
Anyways.
You don't say that. I don't say they can't do me that, but it is the fact that the fact.
No, the facts is the facts. You know, this is the reason why we do report, because this is important to also share fact. And with the trash plates that we do, it's always about gathering data. It's not much about doing the cleanup, but it's to gather the data. And this is one of the reasons why we do it mostly at schools, is because it also determines the health and the well-being of students within the school systems. So yes, that's one of the things that we do. And we also have the Plastic Solution Academy that's coming up, which is an opportunity for young people out there who are inspiring to become sustainable entrepreneurs. We're providing a 3 days all-paid, whereby they will become an entrepreneur. If they're not, they'll develop a product that's sustainable and they'll compete with other 20 students in the Belize. So follow our social media page to sign in. We'll be posting the link next week.
Okay.
And with the academic solution, you'll get to win $7,500, and will help you build and register your business. Once you win the competition of the sustainable product, but it's always a win-win with it, because you're going to build network, and then you're also going to build sustainable consciousness. So yeah, that's what we literally, in a summary, what we do. And here we're just having a little educational booth just to educate people about microplastics. Because if we look at it, we're basically eating plastic without we know it. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time. And this is the last booth, and hopefully people get the message that we are here today, and all the other groups are out here showcasing what they have to offer to people. So once again, I applaud you guys for being out there to showcase and tell us a little bit about ocean cleaning. Right? Watch the microplastics, all right?
Yeah, microplastics.
Good. Thank you very much.
All right. They can't just say that to me.
There's outfits, there's manager, I have a firefighter suit here, as you can see, doctor Love, and judge outfit. So this focusing mainly for this mark.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Ayo.